How to fix something went wrong in PayMaya. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can fix something went wrong error in PayMaya. Well, the process is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, whether you are on the browser or on the app, if you're having the error, you want to check your internet connectivity. You want to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. You might also try and switch between your networks. That is, if you're on the mobile network, you can switch to Wi-Fi, the more stable one, or if you're on the Wi-Fi, try and switch to mobile data. Now, if it doesn't help, and if you're on the app and if it is causing error, or if you're on the browser, then try and clear the cache for your browser. If you're on the app, if you want to do it, head into your settings. Once you're on the settings, scroll down and head into the apps option. So you can see the apps option right here. Now the next thing what you can do is you can either scroll down below and look in for the PayMaya app, or you can use the search bar to search it. Now unfortunately I don't have it installed, but what you can do is once you get the app, you can simply open it up, right, and head into the storage option. There you'll find the option to clear data and clear cache. Try and clear your cache first. If it doesn't help, you can clear data, but if you are clearing the data, remember that the applicant's data will be deleted permanently. So make sure to back up your account, that you have, make sure that you can have access back to your account, or to remember your credentials. So hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.